So if you're ready to buy some ads across the internet, where do you go? Well, let's talk about a list of different media networks that you can go to in order to buy advertising. So we've talked about this. Google Display Network, it's one of the largest. You can get to it kind of through the AdWords system, and you can run graphical banner ad type ads, whether they're the banner ad shape or the square ads. You can do that through the Google Display Network, and Google does manage the web page ad impression space for millions of sites and pages. So they are one of the largest, but there are many others that manage billions and billions of impressions, and you don't want to ignore those. Microsoft Media Network, Microsoft has acquired many different companies and they have many different properties. From the Bing search engine they have to doing deals with AOL and other things. They control a lot of impressions. Definitely another place to go to test. Advertising.com, one of the largest ad networks out there. They have tons and tons of sites, thousands that they manage the ad inventory for. So it's another one. Radium One is another one that's been around a while. Conversant Media, I think is how you pronounce that. Conversant Media is another big one. Rhythm One is another one. There's a bunch out there if you just search ad networks, but many of them are now incorporating what's called RTB, or real-time bidding. So what they're finding out is a lot of inventory goes unsold. So they do real-time bidding, where not all the systems use this, but some do, where you say what you'll pay for like the CPM price. I'll pay $2 for every 1,000 times my ad is shown, or I'll pay 50 cents or 25 cents. And different companies bid on unused space, and you can do that and get some really good deals. There are some downsides to real-time bidding, and that is sometimes you don't have as much control over the demographics or types of sites that the ad is going to be served on. So you have to be very, very careful. Sometimes you still will have those controls. You get to choose what vertical or what demographics. But so some of these work on a live bidding system, while other ones have kind of a set, what they call a rate card, which is like the menu for the prices that they currently have set. I highly recommend you check out adnetworkdirectory.com. It's a great site that just lists tons of different ad networks. I think over 500 of them. You can filter them by the size of ads, the verticals, the categories, and you can find all different places in there where you can generate, you can buy ads, all the different sources you can buy ads from. And some of them are niche networks, ad networks in this directory. But that's a pretty good ad network directory. I like it a lot. I go there to find different sources, partners, and other things. So check out adnetworkdirectory.com, and you'll see hundreds of media networks that you can buy ads from.